Now that you know how to set up your account within Prezi, I'm going to show you how to create a Prezi. So just like I said before, there's a login screen, a login rather button, always in the top right hand corner. So I'm going to click on that. It says login. And just like the screen that we talked about previously, you're going to be able to go to login, you're going to type in your email and your password. And one great thing about most websites, or Prezi has, like most websites have, is a forgot password link. So if you forgot your password, you can just click on that. So I've had this all filled in. I'm going to click on login. And then I'm going to get to the area where I have my Prezis, but if I haven't created any yet, there'll just be a box that says new Prezi here, or you can click on new Prezi at the top to create, to start your Prezi. So it'll load, and then just like before, all of those templates will pop up. So it's loading, loading, loading. Alright, so on the main screen where it says choose your template or popular templates, those are the ones that are obviously maybe most current, most recently posted on here, or most frequently used. You can also click on more right here. And there's so many different themes that could fit with, you know, a whole variety of different topics. Since we're art related, some, you know, my kids would choose ones that are really extremely colorful, have different layers. Some are more sort of science or math related. Depending on what is going to be presented, you might, you know, encourage your students to choose a theme or a template that fits with that, the content. So I just passed one that looked really interesting to me. I want to go back to it. This one, timeline. This could be really cool for perhaps, you know, like I think I mentioned this before, my students did a digital portfolio using Prezi, just getting familiar with documenting their work, saving their work, knowing how to take appropriate pictures, how to edit pictures appropriately, and then organize them. So this could be a great template for them to use to document their work over their time in middle school or even in high school, just to show growth. So once I've logged in or chosen my Prezi and then opened it, you'll see that you can see the whole Prezi. I can zoom in and out, farther or closer. I'm doing this just on my touchpad, or you can use a mouse, sort of rolling the little dial forward or backward. And then you'll notice there's some numbers that are corresponding with each of these slides. And as I sort of scroll my mouse over, they are selected. Also over here on the left, you'll see there's a series of numbers that are in sequential order. Just like PowerPoint, Prezi slides work sequentially. So when you're working, say I want to start with number 1, that's the main screen, so it'll kind of zoom in on that. I can double click where it says text, and maybe I'm just going to do a sample digital portfolio. Oopsie. And then I could click on the second slide, and it's going to zoom in on that slide. And I could say maybe earlier work or works. I could also click on text here. I'm just going to close that window. Click to add text here, or I could go up to the top bar where it says customize, or I could insert a photo, and I would go to insert, and then I would click on images. And say I don't have a lot of images on my new device, so I'll just use these sample images over here.